What do you do to stay healthy?
Exercise.
Very good. What do you do to stay healthy?
Well, my mom gives me lots of smoothies for breakfast.
So what do you do to stay healthy?
Well, I mostly eat only natural foods, and if I do eat anything processed, most of the time it's with 5 ingredients at max. Some of the natural foods I eat are yogurt, I have many other dairies, and instead of regular cheese, my mom prefers me to have Havarti cheese because it has less ingredients and it's less processed.
What do you do to stay healthy?
Eat carrots.
Good.
Every day when I'm in camp, I always go to the salad bar.
What do you do to stay healthy?
I mostly eat fruits and vegetables, and I kind of have a good sleep at night. I go outside every day and I eat healthy food. What I do stay healthy is my mom gives me smoothies for breakfast every day, but sometimes milk, and I drink milk a lot, and my mom gives me yogurt. And I eat lots of healthy food. I play outside and I eat vegetables. So what I do is I exercise, I stretch, and I go to soccer every Saturday. And I also stay hydrated. Eat broccoli and eat pickles.
So the smoothies I drink have lots of nutrients like kale, spinach, and all that other good stuff, and power greens. And sometimes when I get lucky, I get a little bit of watermelon in there.
I'm on a baseball team. Soccer. Eat vegetables.
Very good. What else?
I do nothing.
No, wait. What do you do to stay healthy?
Eat rainbows.
To stay healthy, I make sure to enjoy life and stay happy.